everyone, I'm Piolo Bidignos and I will now recite MUNCA's mission, vision, goals, and core values. Vision: a transformative learning institution producing globally competitive graduates. Mission: to deliver quality education and dynamic instruction, relevant researches, and sustainable extension programs gearing towards socio-economic development. Core values: MUNCAS. M. Moral uprightness. O. Optimism. N. Nationalism. C. Compassion. A. Adaptability. S. Service. T. Teamwork. Goals: first, produce competent graduates. Second, foster strong linkage and network. Third, synergize human capital. That's all. Thank you.